Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to Santa's Workshop. Today we are at a different location. This is my son-in-law's shop that he has just inherited. And y'all remember Nathan.
How's it going?
Hey, Nathan.
I'm so glad to be here. I'm so excited. I'm thinking about it for the past 2 days.
Oh.
It's kind of cool. They get to see my shop this time.
That's right. Well, he's got a little problem. It's a little dark in there.
Too dark. It's so dark.
Especially when it gets nighttime.
If I can hug the wall, it's pretty bright, but down here it's nothing but shadow. So.
Well, we had GJIA, GJIA, reach out to me and ask if I needed any high bay lights. Well, I'm pretty good in my shop, but Nathan needs some here.
You definitely use them.
So we are going to unpackage these. We're going to show you a little bit about them. Then we're going to do a time lapse of putting these things up, but we're going to do a before and after. So I'm standing right outside the door. This is what it looks like in here now. And it is the evening, and as the evening progresses, it's going to get even darker.
Yeah, we got a lot of trees out here, a lot more than what's out on yours, so we darken up a lot quicker than you do at your place.
Yeah, this is a tree heaven out here.
Yeah, and it's funny, I'm not 8 miles from him, so.
Yeah, that's
we
true.
got all the trees on this side.
But we're going to get in here and we're going to pop one of these open and take a look at it. All right, what we have here, it says an upgraded UFO LED high bay light, 150 watts, 150, 120 watts, 90 watts. Oh, it is dimmable.
Oh, nice.
So 3 wattages switchable, 150 lumens per watt.
Wow, that is going to be a bright light.
So adjustable wattage, 0 to 10 volt dimmable, easy install, IP65 waterproof, 5-year warranty.
Oh, man, I shouldn't have to worry about any waterproofage, but man, that's going to be great.
I mean, yeah, it's going to be nice. Now then, let's pop one of these open and take a look at it. If there's going to be any more information on these that I need to let you know, I will put it at the end of the video after we get out of here. All right, yeah, we got our high bay.
Good stuff.
Very good instructions. I mean, it should be fairly easy, I would think.
Oh, so there's our mountain hook.
There's your mountain hook.
All right.
Here's your safety cable.
Okay. Yeah. That is a beast of a light, my goodness. Holy cow.
Isn't that nice?
Dude.
Look at that thing.
That is insane. How many LEDs it said it had in there?
I don't think it said how many LEDs.
A lot. I don't even know if I can count that high. Goodness. Wow. Okay. All right. So is that for our remote dimmer?
I bet you it is.
Dim up, dim down. Okay.
Yep.
I see. So you can either dim it here on this, or you can have it on a remote. Man, that is handy. I like that.
That will be nice.
That is handy.
I can see you getting a remote just so you can play with it every once in a while.
Get the romantic lights in the shop. Whoever needed that, right?
Oh, goodness.
Golly,
Santa's channel. G rated.
Yeah.
I know we're in your shop, but.
Yeah. No, that's fine.
That should be long enough, shouldn't it?
Yeah, I think so. I think so.
He's got his wiring already set up there. You can see the conduit. He does it much more professional than I do.
Well, in this case, if I had to go buy it, I probably would have just run the wire, but Grandpa hoarded all that type of conduit stuff.
So you had it, so you
I
used it.
I had it, and I thought, well, versus just put it up there, I guess I'll just go ahead and run it, make it look right. So.
Okie doke.
Fair enough, I guess.
Alrighty.
Well,
We
cool.
are going to set you up with a time lapse, and we're going to get these things hung, and we're going to see exactly how good this thing is.
I'm excited.
Hey, you got a set screw there. You got to.
Yeah. Yeah, they don't want that falling down, Noni. They give you a jam screw and a set screw and another lock screw and
A safety latch.
your safety cable there too.
Well, you don't want that thing falling from 12 feet and hitting you
No,
on the little head.
no, of course not.
Where's those hangers that you made?
They're over here. Let me.
Grab one and bring it over here.
So there's nothing too special about this. All this is some old ratted out bungee cords I had that the rubber
Yep.
was breaking on. I just took the S hook off of it, and these nuts are what lock the whole entire shop together.
Right.
So I just took those and crimped them in a
You're
vise.
just going to screw it on, tighten it down, and
That's all it is right there. I might put a little dab of blue Loctite on there and get it tight,
yep.
and I know that's going to hold that light. But
Well,
that's
what-
going to go up in the seam.
What you
there.
might do, go ahead and set these down,
Yeah.
and after you get them up there, get you a pair of pliers and just crimp that
Yeah,
shut.
that's what I was going to take the big ones up there. Matter of fact, before we hang these, you want to get some practice with the tractor, and I'll just go ahead and install these, and then we'll just come up and put the lights on.
If you want.
However you want to do it. All right, cool.
Alrighty.
We'll hang these up then.
Let's get busy. All right. We got them up, didn't we?
Yeah, buddy.
You don't look so proud of these.
Oh, man, Bro, I can't even believe it. I've never seen this shop so bright even before we got the
Okay.
roof built.
Well, he's got them on two different switches. So you could see how bright that front one is. Nathan, go in there and hit the other
buddy.
switch.
Yeah, will do.
And I'm standing right where I was before, I believe.
All right, 3, 2, 1.
And there we go. Look at how much of a difference.
Look at this.
that
I've got
made.
light leaking on the pad here. That ain't never happened before.
You're going to better get you a mop and wipe that up where it
No joke.
gets out.
Bryson, come scrub this sunshine off the pad here.
Look how far out it's stretching.
All the way to the end there. Anywhere I've got it. Look at my shadow.
I can't wait to see how it looks in the dark.
In the dark. Oh my gosh. I don't even know what to say. I mean,
Well, I know what to say. Thank
Dude.
you, GJIA.
Absolutely. those are insane lights. My goodness.
Yeah, this is the same company that sent me the dock light.
Yeah.
That I mounted underneath the lift.
Oh man, that's insane. 3 lights, and it's doing more work than 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of these 4-footers here. These no-name 4-footers here. That's
Yep.
insane.
Well, you can tell
I bet
me
I could do away with all these others and just have these here.
you could.
Wow.
But think about getting you a couple of 8-foots right above your workbench.
Yeah,
I
yeah.
mean, that would be.
Are you seeing this? I can see. I just can't. I don't even know. I'm speechless.
Well,
It's so bright in here.
you know, when I replaced the lights in my shop,
Yeah.
it was just like, I cannot believe the difference that this made. Oh, guess who else showed up? There's Bryson,
That's my boy,
Fix it right here.
Mr. Fix It. That's going to be the name of your YouTube, isn't it?
Mr. Fix It.
Yeah, I already have a video coming. I have 2 in progress, 1 on the way. So
Now, have you started your own YouTube channel yet?
I have. I just haven't posted anything. So
What's the name of the channel?
Mr. Fix It.
Mr. Fix It.
Yeah, y'all got to go subscribe. There's some nice little presents on there for you.
I'm
So-
going to be subscribing. I do like to see a good gun restoration video, so that's going to be the guy
It's going
right
to be
there.
about guns, cars, anything to fix. Maybe even some RC planes that I'll be working on in the future. So
Well,
that'll
and
be nice.
you got that Midnight Express.
That's right.
Yeah, I already have a video on that.
Oh, do you?
Yeah, I forgot what we replaced on it, but yeah, I have that video too.
Well, there you go.
Boy. I don't. It's like God was like, "What's that? You want some sunshine in your shop?" And He just dropped it in here. Oh my gosh!
Let there be light.
3 friggin' lights doing more work than 6 of these no-namers here. I can't even.
And that's the title of the video. Let there be light.
Let there be light. That's right.
Well, you know what? I think I might do that.
I don't even think bacteria grow in this shop with them lights. It says, "Nah, you kidding me? Never have to worry about mold ever again."
And how long did it take us to install?
Shoot, between making the hooks and hanging these up and plugging them in, 15 minutes. I
Yeah.
mean, wasn't
Now,
nothing
if you
to
don't get
it.
yourself a tractor, it might be a little bit longer. So
Yeah, that
that's true.
tractor come in clutch though.
Yeah.
Had a good operator on it though.
I,
This is just
I do not condone. I stick to OSHA safety standards. Just saying.
I feel like I'm more unsafe on a ladder, but that's just me. But I didn't used to have a job where I'd climb 400, 500 feet in the air to do my job either. So
No.
I've had plenty of climbing experience working on the towers. So.
Well, Nathan, come on here. Let's end up this video.
Yeah, let's do this. That is unreal.
Okay, I'm gonna.
But no, that's just the reflection from in the shop.
I'll just
Yeah, we were sitting here talking about the light hitting the trees, and Nathan was going, "Is
see.
that reflection from my shop?" They're not that bright, Nathan.
Oh man, dude, this
But
is awesome.
GJIA, thank you so much. If I'm pronouncing your name wrong, please let me know. It's, Oklahoman. I pronounce everything wrong. But,
Way to make a light. I'll say that. Absolutely impressed.
and they have many, many other lights. Mostly industrial, but they've got outdoor lights. They've got the 4-bulb LED bulbs, the long ones. Just go to their website and check it out. I'll have their link in the description below. And there should be a discount code down there for lights. If not, we'll see if we can get one. Thank y'all so much.
Thank you so much. It's been a pleasure. It's been real fun rolling with y'all.
We will see y'all next time on Santa's Workshop.